Martian Mathematics is a complete introduction to the patterns, methods, and practical application of mathematics for children ages 4 and up. It develops number sense and strengthens logic and reasoning in struggling students. It exposes the subtle patterns that are key to fast mental calculations in gifted students. And it improves working memory and focus in all students. It will transform your students into mathemagicians. Martian Mathematics strives to avoid the uninspiring arithmetic still popular in American public schools today. We also avoid the silly long way around techniques associated with Common Core math. Our system starts with skip counting, but not like you see in a standard 1st and 2nd grade curriculum. For example, when we skip count in fives, we don't only cover the usual sequence 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Instead, we use something called the fives conjugate. If you count to 6 on your fingers and then close your left hand into a fist, then 6 becomes 1. The fives conjugate of 6 is 1. We can then skip count by 5 starting at 1 or 6. 1, 6, 11, 16, 21. Similarly, if you count to 7 on your fingers and close your left hand into a fist again, then 7 becomes 2. The fives conjugate of 7 is 2. Skip counting in 5 starting at 2 or 7 simply repeats these conjugate pairs. 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. You only have to continue this 2 more times up to 9, and you can skip count by 5s from any number, which means you can also add or subtract 5 to any number. For example, 1876 plus 5 is 1881. Knowing the fives conjugate of just 4 numbers allows you to add 5 to any number. This is one of our signature techniques that you won't find anywhere else. But that's not all we have to offer. There is also the telephone sequence, which allows students to easily add or subtract 3 and 7 from any number, and much more. By the end of Level 1, your students will be able to add and subtract in their head any single-digit number to any other number, including 4 and 5-digit numbers. Unlike other math courses, we don't postpone multiplication and division. We start with those in Lesson 8, and the skip counting approach lends itself naturally to understanding the rules of divisibility, a topic usually addressed in 4th through 6th grade. By the end of Level 5, students will be ready for algebra and Euclidean geometry. The mathematical skills your students learn here are applicable in all technical fields from physics and engineering to computer science, as well as the social sciences and business school. So get your children started on their future today by visiting martianmathematics.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel or stop by our store at martianmathematics.com.